Hey, let's take a look at the Project Assistant in the Standard Time Cloud site. I'm looking at the home page right now, and the Project Assistant is this first icon in the second row. We're going to go into that. But the first thing we might want to take a look at is the projects page, where you see a list of all of your jobs. These might represent work orders, jobs, projects, maybe sales orders, however you have it organized, where you want to either scan these on the shop floor or enter time directly into the timesheet. At any rate, tracking time and materials to these jobs is the purpose of projects in Standard Time. Also, the Project Tasks tab, which is available from the home page and then the Project Tasks icon, will also show you these jobs, but the tasks under them. Again, you can scan these on the shop floor, or you can enter time directly into the timesheet if you wanted to for office workers. The purpose of this video is to take a look at the Project Assistant to help you create a new project. You may not have any jobs yet. This may be the very first thing you encounter in Standard Time to create your very first project and tasks. So let's get a look at what we've got here. Some tabs along the top: Start, Project, Tasks, Client, and then the Finish tab. So let's just click Next. First thing this wants to do is ask, how do you want to create a job? Do you want to duplicate an existing job? If you wanted to do it this way, you could choose a job that you knew had some project tasks that you had been using in the past, and then you could click Next and then follow through on creating that job. You could create a completely new job here by entering the name. Normally this is a unique number that you're using as the work order number or job number, or you could simply add tasks to an existing job. I'm going to just create a brand new work order, 67002. I'll click Next. These are the operations or processes, the activities that employees might scan on the shop floor or enter time manually. Welding, just hit Enter after each one. Paint, packaging, shipping. Okay, very simple. We've got just 4 tasks here. Click Next. Now I can make these billable to a client. If I were to click this and then choose a client that I wanted to bill these to, let's just choose Cable Industries, and Next. I have now completed this Project Assistant and my tasks are ready to be used. I'm going to click Finish and am taken to this Project Tasks tab. Turns out you can filter by the job that you created. If you go over to the Projects tab, and you can find your job there by searching or by filtering. This is ready to go. You can begin tracking time on the shop floor with barcode scanners right now on this job. There you have it. That is the Project Assistant in the Standard Time Cloud site.